Hello, we continue prepare analysis and approaches standard level, paper 1 of paper 2021. So it's given the 7 marks for the question. We're given the function, we're given actually 2 functions here, and the first question is to find the derivative. So there are 7 marks total, and let's start to find the derivative of function f. So here, to find the derivative, we have to first write in this way, squared plus 2k derivative. We know that the derivative of this bracket is negative 2x minus h multiplied by x minus h prime, right? So it is chain rule. And 2k, it's a constant, that is why it's 0. Okay, and the derivative of this is 1, that is why our derivative of here is 2 times x minus h. It is 1 mark. So, and says then next, the graph of f and g has common tangent at x equals to 3. Common tangent at x equals to 3. What does it mean? It means that the derivatives of the tangent at these points are equal. So we can say that the f prime of 3, yeah, we can calculate f prime of 3 by plug the values there. So it is 3 minus h. Okay, and it's a common tangent. So it means that it's also tangent for another function, for g of x. That is why let's find this one. So this is the question now. So if we will find the derivative first, it's going to be the e to the x minus 2, and that's it, yeah? This is a derivative of x, of the g of x. And now let's plug g prime of 3. Let's plug 3 instead of x, so it is 3 minus 2. So it is simply e. Okay, all right. And now we can equate. We can say that this is equal to this. So let's equate minus 2, 3 minus h equals to e. And now let's find e. Let's express h, yeah? So 3 minus h is equal to e over negative 2. Negative h is equal to negative e over 2 minus 3. And let's everything divide by negative minus 1, right? So it's e over 2 plus 3. Okay, and if we will find the common denominator, it will be e plus 6 over 2. Actually, what it is said to be found, right? So this is part B. So part B finished. Okay, and in part C it says hence. It means that using this value, hence show that the k is equal to that expression. Okay, how to do it? Guys? Let's find. So we have to use any function here. So we can use f of x, plug h value here, and then get the value of express the value of k, right? So okay, so what we do again, our h is equal f of x. Now f of x is equal to negative x minus h, so this squared plus 2k. All right, okay, and also we have k in other function g of x. G of x is e to the x minus 2 plus k. Okay, we have 2 functions like this so far. Okay, and we know that if the graph has a common tangent at if 2 graphs has a common tangent at the same point, yeah, it means that these 2 graphs has a common point, right? Common point. It means that we can say that f of 3 is equal to g of 3. Okay, and let's use it. So f of 3, let's plug everything there in our function. E plus 6 over 2 squared plus 2k is equal to e to the now x 3 minus 2 plus k, right? Okay, so what we will get finally, So 2k minus k, yeah, I use this one, equals to e. And then let's write this way, 3 plus e plus, oh wait, we have to square, right? We have to square it, so it takes time, minus 3 plus minus e plus 6 over 2 squared. Okay, let's simplify the expression in the brackets, because it's like confusing so far. It's not looks beautiful, right? So it's 6 minus e. So let's convert everything to the positive, yeah? So it is 3 plus e plus 6 over 2. So 6 here. Okay, so it is, yeah, so it is 2 here. 6 plus e plus 6 over 2. So it is 12 plus e over 2. And now k is equal to e. And here 12 plus e over 2 squared. Now we open the brackets. And then we will get the value. Oh, wait. Here we got minus. It will be minus there. Right. It will be minus. Here one will be negative. So that's why e. Yeah. So let me find what's wrong. Minus x minus h minus x. Oh yeah. Here is, yeah. So I found. So here in brackets, right? In brackets. Okay. So then 6 minus e minus 6 squared over 2 squared. This is going to be here. Okay. So this one. So you see that it is minus e over 2 squared. Okay. And now if we will open the brackets, simplify, we will get e squared over 4. Okay, that it is. It's not, I'm not saying that it is fantastic and brilliant, but still, sometimes this kind of question possible to see in exam, and you should know what to do. Okay, hope it was clear. Write your comments, ask any questions, join my other social media accounts. See you in the next video. Goodbye.